guys, welcome to Jam Down Kitchen. So here we're gonna have a lot of cooking, you know what I'm saying? It's a kitchen, it's Jam Down Kitchen. So you're here, we're gonna cool down, we're gonna jam, we're gonna have fun in the kitchen. So on this page is basically about food, family, you know, and having fun. Now what's there to do? Corona time, we're gonna stay safe, have to wash our hands.
Hi guys, good morning. Happy New Year to you all. This morning, you know, we are chef up a whole different set of things. We are starting the new year off with some strong banana porridge. So you know, so we have a cup of flour, we have vanilla with salt, condensed milk, and coconut milk. Optional, that is optional. If you choose not to use it, it's fine. You have your cinnamon and you have your allspice. Guys, we're gonna get right into this video. So guys, you know you have to peel your banana, pour the top and bottom. Then I'm gonna peel them and cut them like this. Okay guys, so we have cut all our bananas, and in total that is 5 bananas. So we're gonna put all the bananas down here into our blender, because remember we're building flavor, guys. So we blend everything together. It's smoother and better in the blender. Some people grate it, but I'm gonna do the easy way. I am adding my half cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm also adding my cinnamon and my nutmeg right into that blender. And then into the blender also I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of water, but I'm gonna add it gradually. That's 1 cup. I'm gonna blend it and show you how it looks. Consistency of our blended bananas. Wow, look how smooth that is. Look how smooth that is. Let me show you guys. From the spatula. Smooth, baby bottom, smooth. Now guys, we're gonna put this into the pot. Let's go. So guys, inside my pot I've added salt and cinnamon sticks and about 2.5 cups of water, the same amount I've put inside the banana. I'm going to let this boil for about 1 to 2 minutes to show you what I'm doing. Now guys, our water is bubbling, so we're going to add the mixture directly into this pot. Guys, immediately after adding the mixture into the pot, get your whisk and start whisking this, because guess what? You don't want it to stick. Alright guys, look how creamy that's looking. So we're going to mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to mix it so it does not stick. Alright guys, and at this time make sure your flame is on low. Alright, make sure your flame is on medium low, because you don't want your porridge burn, right? So I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then show you how it looks. It's beauty, and it's coming together wonderfully. Look at that consistency, guys, and don't even finish yet. This is looking wonderful. Guys, I'm gonna check it one more time, and it's another like 7 minutes. I'm gonna show you how it looks. 20 minutes. You know the banana is all cooked out, so now it's time to season. I spice it up and sweeten it up. So here I'm gonna add my sugar first, and I'm going in with brown sugar, guys, and I'm gonna mix out this gradually. Alright, so come back and show you what else better adding in. Now guys, we are going in with our vanilla extract. Yes, and then we're gonna mix this out. You know guys, just like so. Look how, when you guys gonna say that don't look yummy. My son even started for wheat. Because banana is one of his little legacy, my little monkey. And some nutmeg. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more. You know, come have to spice it up. And we're just gonna give this another little twist and turn. Remember flavor we are built, guys. We don't want no, you know, no boring, nothing, no flavorless, nothing. Alright, so come back. Going in with some almond milk. I'm using this. You can use cold milk, coconut milk, any milk of your choice. Alright guys. and then we're going to mix this all. Remember, we want it smooth and pretty. Look at that milk infusion. Alright guys, after this I'm going to go in with my condensed milk just to sweeten it down enough. Now we're going in with our condensed milk. You know, this is the sweetener. Guys, if you can smell in here. And then we're going to sweeten this. You know, I'm going to almost finish it up. We're going to sweeten this, and then we're going to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes just to finish cooking. Alright guys, so good. So guys, here is the finished product. Look at that yumminess that's going into that plate. So creamy, so nice. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Guys, remember, it is your girl, Chef Chen. If you have a request, send them in. It's a new year, your girl is going to be rocking and stocking up the page. Guys, remember, one love, and if you cook like a yardie, you eat like a Jamaican. Love you guys.